I'm Lyra.
And I'm Adrienne.
And we're from Trinity College's Department of Languages and Cultures. And today we're going to be learning the 9 letters from the Arabic alphabet. So let's begin. This is the ghayn. This is the ghayn. This is the lem. This is the meem. And finally, this is the le. Oops.
This is the ha. This is the fa. This is the kaf. And finally, this is the cash.
And so those are the 9 letters, and now we're going to learn how to write the different characters in, like, at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, and the end of the word. So we'll just start here.
The ayn and ghayn begin with just a small C written above the line and then lead into the next character at the beginning of a word. In the middle, they're written as they start off like in the shape of a wave, and then you cross back over and around. You can see here in this example of Saeed. The end, there's the connected and the unconnected form. In the unconnected form, it's just the small c and the larger c written at a slant, and then the ghayn has a dot above the smaller c. And the connected, it's written like the middle form, but then ends with the larger c formation here. An example of this is na, which means mint.
The next set of letters we're going to go into is the kaf and the fe. And so basically when writing the 2 forms in words, they're formed the same way, but the way to differentiate the 2 is 2 dots on top of the kaf and then 1 dot on the fe. And so examples in the beginning of the word, you kind of just go into a loop and then come down along the line and then go up into the next character. And then in the middle, it's similar to the ayn and the ghayn in the sense, but you basically are just doing a rounded loop, and you're just coming around. And then at the end, these are when the 2 characters are a lot more different from one another. And so the fe is coming down in a loop, but you're on the line, while the kaf is a loop and then you're going below the line and then coming back up and meeting it.
In the beginning and middle of the word, like the kaf is written the same. At the end, it's written as a hook above the line with a hamza inside the hook.
The next letter is the lem. The lem is a lot similar to the aleph in the sense that it's just a line. But unlike the aleph, the lem can connect to other characters. So in the beginning, the lem in this case is connecting to the be. And then in the middle, it's in between the 2 characters and they're all connected. And at the end, that's the one that's most different. It basically is a J, but the end hook right here is below the line.
The meem is written in teardrop shape and then just leads into the next character. And the beginning of the word and then the middle, it is led into by the previous character and then just the teardrop shape and then followed by the next character. At the end, it has just a little tail that just goes below the line.
The next letter character is the he, yeah, and where basically you're kind of making a 7 here and then looping around, and that's in the beginning of the word, and at the middle it's an upside down wave basically, and you're still connecting it to other letters. And at the end, they have two versions, the unconnected version and the connected. And when you're unconnecting, it's basically like a teardrop again at the end. And then when you're connecting, it just connects, you kind of create this flag shaped here.
The final letter is the lam aleph, or la. In the unconnected form, it's written like this, with the kind of like the lam with an aleph at a 45-degree angle, and then in the end connected form, it's led up to by the preceding character, and then just takes the form of the unconnected end of the word.
So that's 9 new letters from the Arabic alphabet. We hoped you learned a lot, and
thanks for watching.